It was a virus that was first detected in 1947, seen in monkeys. But until 2007, very few cases of Zika in humans were reported. A major outbreak in Brazil in 2015 revealed that it can lead to severe birth defects when pregnant women are infected. The first cases were seen in India in 2017. It has now surfaced in Kerala. Sneha Mordani tells you all about it.
A new worry for Kerala. Already battling another surge in COVID cases, another virus has arrived to cause more alarm. So far, 15 people have been confirmed with Zika virus infections, setting off alarm bells in Delhi.
There are some Zika cases which have been reported from Kerala. To monitor the situation and to support state government in that endeavour, a 6-member senior team which consists of people from public health point of view, which also consists people from vector control, clinician from AIIMS. This team has already been issued instructions to reach there and support state government in terms of management of Zika there also.
A 24-year-old pregnant woman was the first to have been diagnosed with the mosquito-transmitted disease on Thursday.
ആശുപത്രിയുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട ചില ഹെൽത്ത് വർക്കേഴ്സിൽ ഇതുപോലെയുള്ള സമാനമായിട്ടുള്ള ഫീവറും റാഷസും ഒക്കെ കണ്ടത്. അങ്ങനെ 19 സാമ്പിളുകൾ പൂനെ NIVയിലേക്ക് അയച്ചിരുന്നു. ഇന്നലെ രാത്രിയോടുകൂടി നമുക്ക് സ്ഥിരീകരണം ലഭിച്ചത് അതിൽ 13 സാമ്പിൾസ് പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണ് എന്നുള്ളതാണ്.
So what exactly is Zika virus? The symptoms of Zika are similar to dengue-like fever, rashes and joint pain. The Zika virus is spread by an Aedes species mosquito. These mosquitoes, which bite during the day, also transmit dengue, chikungunya and yellow fever. The Zika virus can be dangerous to pregnant women as it could lead to preterm birth and even miscarriage. This is because the virus can be transmitted from a pregnant woman to her fetus. It also causes birth defects in newborn children. The US Center for Disease Control and Prevention has found those infected with the Zika virus can also transmit the disease to their sexual partners. A mosquito-borne flavivirus, Zika, was first identified in Uganda in 1947 in monkeys. It was later identified in humans in 1952 in Uganda and Tanzania. Outbreaks of Zika were also reported in the America, Asia and the Pacific.
The World Health Organization says that most patients suffering from Zika virus do not develop any symptoms. In fact, 1 in only 5 patients show symptoms of Zika virus. These symptoms last anywhere between 2 to 7 days. Also, unfortunately, there is no treatment available for Zika virus, and research on a vaccine against Zika virus is still underway. We still don't have a vaccine just yet for this infection. In New Delhi, Sneha Mordani for India Today.